Good morning everybody, welcome to Morning Markets on Friday the 28th of February. A couple of things to discuss today. One, we can't avoid the overnight falls in stock markets across the globe. A couple of reasons as to why that's occurring. The increasing negativity that's surrounding the coronavirus and the spread with China. And I think more importantly is the increasing number of companies that are citing the coronavirus as being problematic for their business at this point in time. That is, however, I think focused in certain areas of the market, specifically technology, if we think about what's happening in travel, with airlines and with the hotel industry. So in areas which you would have automatically associated with an impact there, they are feeling pressure as a result. I think the other thing to keep in mind here is that we need to keep in mind the context of where we are. Yes, the headlines are very negative, but where have we come from? It's only a couple of weeks ago that markets were at all-time highs. So context is really important here, and to think about where we've been and where we've now got to. The other thing that I think is crucial to think about is the role that diversification plays at times like this, and that's what we seek to provide at True Potential: diversified multi-asset portfolios. Why is that important? The headlines at the moment focus on the plunges in the equity market. They don't discuss what's happening in other areas of the market that act as diversifiers in a portfolio, and by that I mean the role that sovereign government bonds play, so gilts, US Treasuries, and the role that precious metals can play within a portfolio. Those are areas of the market that are actually increasing in value at this point in time, so diversifying risk within a portfolio context. Clearly, the coronavirus is front and centre of everybody's mind at this point in time. We're seeing increasing queries from our clients and from our advisors. So please tune in later on today when we'll release a podcast that will go into that in a bit more detail. And secondly, we'll have a weekly roundup coming out later today, which will help you understand a little bit more about the coronavirus, the impact on markets, and the diversification benefits that bonds can have within a portfolio in this context. Thank you, and hope to see you again next week.